Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to go through a quick demo on how to do A/B testing with your email campaigns in Sitecore. As you create these email campaigns, you're probably basing the content and message layout off of an assumption you have of what you think your customers find appealing, but your assumptions aren't always 100% accurate. A/B testing allows you to create a couple variations of a similar message so you can send it to a small group of people first and see how they interact with the message and which one gains more traction before picking a final message to send to your entire email base. So now, let's jump right into the demo where Bruno will walk you through how to do this step by step in Sitecore.
Okay, so we have created our message campaign and we want to run a A/B test on it to see which message will give us better results in terms of open rate, feedback, and so on. And EXM is really great in this. It will guide us through the entire process. When we have done all our edits on our message, we will go to the message tab and we will see our design of our campaign in it. And I already have added one additional variant of that message. And this is done by clicking on this plus sign here. And the variants are automatically added to the message campaign. Now we have 4 variants of this message. If we look at the first 2, this one has the header component and the variant B does not have the header component, and we want to test which one of these variant will give us the better results in our campaign. So you can include as many message variants as you like in A/B test, but you need to be aware that the results of the test might be less obvious the more variants you add. For example, if we test 2 variants of the message, each variant will be sent to the 50% of the test recipients. If, on the other hand, you include 4 variants, like we have here, each variant will be sent only to the 25% of the test recipients, and this can result in less clear results. If you want to test more than 2 or 3 variants, you need to consider the number of recipients carefully and include more recipients proportional to the number of variants. So when we have our message variants in place, we'll go to the delivery tab and we will see the various options to our variants, like select variants to A/B test. We do not need to send all of them. We want just to send A variant and B variant. So we will deselect the C and D. Now, the size of the test. This is the part where you need to be careful. If you have the small pool of recipients, for example, 2000, you should include up to 10 or 50% of the recipients in the test to get reliable results. And if the total number of recipients is higher, for example, something like 50,000, you only need to include 5 or 6% or even less to get a good result. The next part of the options are select winner. And we have 2 options, automatic or manual. If you look at the automatic, he will send our tests immediately to the pool that we have decided here. And we can define after how many hours of test he will send the rest of the emails, depending on the winner. So let's say we want to do a quick A/B test. We want to send A and B variant, and we will put 6 hours to the test. So the EXM will send the emails now, and after 6 hours, he will decide the winner and send the winning variant to the rest of the pool of the recipients. And we can also decide if we want to decide winner by the best value per visit or highest open rate. The next option is manual, when after some portion of time that we want to test, we will get the results. Let's say again 6 hours. We will be presented with the results, with the open rate, click rate, value, and so on. And we will have a button, choose as a winner, and the message that we will choose as a winner, that message will be sent to the rest of the recipients. And that's pretty much it. We just need to click on the start A/B test, and the test of the campaign will begin.
So after you finish setting up your A/B messages, you can view your results and see which message has won. At this point, you have a couple different options. You can choose to select the winner manually after looking at the results yourself, or you can have the system do this for you automatically. The winning message that's selected won't be sent to any of the recipients that were in the initial A/B testing. If you choose to have the winner selected automatically, then after a certain amount of time, the message will automatically be sent out to the rest of the recipients in your list. If the result of the A/B test turns out to be even, then the system will automatically choose variant A and send it out to the rest of your list. You always want to be sure to review the reports of the A/B tests so you can better understand your customers and what they like to see as you continue making more and more emails and sending out new campaigns. Be sure to always review the reports of the A/B tests, because this is a great opportunity for you to learn about your customers' preferences and what they like to see going forward. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other demos. I'm Kira from Korea, and thanks for watching.